Hello students, in this video we will be solving a couple of problems under exercise 8.1. Our first problem of this video is if sin A equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So we will be given sin A equal to 3 upon 4. From there we can get what is our perpendicular and hypotenuse, because sin A is equal to P upon H. If you recall Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. This is our sine. So if sine A is that, so what we'll say is consider triangle ABC. Okay, we'll consider triangle ABC in which our perpendicular has to be 3 and our hypotenuse has to be 4, which means it has to be right angled over here, and sine A has to be 3 upon 4, which means this A should come here. So we'll say it is right angled at B. Okay, right angled at B such that angle B equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now why it has to be right angled at B and not other? We have been told sine A, the angle in question is A, which means if sine A has to be 3 upon 4, sine is what? P upon H. That means the value of sine A, the sine A is equal to 3 upon 4. This has to be equal to P upon H as per Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. If this is your perpendicular, without drawing the where exactly it is right angled, if we take this our A, the angle, the side opposite to that has to be perpendicular. Okay, so then this has to be P3, and if the hypotenuse is saying 4 here, that means this has to be 4. That leaves, if this is your 4 and this is your hypotenuse, and the angle opposite the hypotenuse has got to be right angled. That is why we have it over here. Now this can be C, this can be B. It's up to you to decide. I have taken it as B, right angled at B. So we take as ABC triangle, and this is for your understanding, no need to write all this thing, and we make a note over here as to what it is, so it makes it easier for you. So for angle A, okay, we write down what is our base. Base will be AB. Okay, then our perpendicular will be BC, and our hypotenuse will be AC. Got it? So that is our 3, 4, and we need to find out AB. We do not know what is AB. Now there are no units given, so we'll assume let BC equal to 3K. K is just some unit. Okay, and AC equal to 4K. Okay, 3K and 4K. Now we need to find AB, so we say by Pythagoras by Pythagoras theorem we get AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. We need to find AB square, so I'll take BC square on the other side of the equal to sign. It will become negative. AC square minus BC square. So I have taken AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. I'll write AB square the way it is. AC is 4, so 4 square minus BC, which is 3 square. So this will give us AB square equal to 4 square is 16 minus 9, that gives us AB square equal to 7. So square root of AB square equal to square root of 7, that gives us AB equal to square root of 7. Okay, and their unit will be root 7K. Fine. Now we need to calculate cos A and tan A. So cos A will be what? B upon H. B upon H, which is our base. Base is here, perpendicular is here, hypotenuse here. Base is AB, which we have got as root 7. root 7, and this k, 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 and a base upon hypotenuse which is AC. The base is root 7k upon 4k. K and k cancel, and we are getting root 7 upon 4. Similarly, we have 10a. 10a, which is P upon B. So P is what? BC, and B is AB. BC is 3k, and AB is root 7k. K and k cancel, we get 3 upon root 7. If we rationalize this thing, you can get 3 root 7 upon 7. So with this we complete this problem. Our next problem is given 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. So 15 cot A equal to 8 can be written as cot A equal to 8 upon 15. I am just taking 15 is multiplied into cot A. So I am taking 15 down and dividing it by 8. So it get 8 upon 15. Now if cot A is this, by Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, cot A is will be what? 10 is P upon B. So cot will be B upon P, which means this is base upon perpendicular. Okay, base upon perpendicular. So if we draw a triangle like this, and if we put down our A here and B here and C here, if this is our angle, perpendicular it says is 15 and base it says is 8. We need to find our hypotenuse over here, which is not given. So we'll say consider triangle ABC right angled at B such that angle B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and we'll say that our for angle A, base is AB, perpendicular is BC, and the hypotenuse is AC. Okay, now we'll say let AB equal to 8k and BC equal to 15k. Okay, now we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Fine. So that will get AC square we put over here. AB is 8 square and BC is 15. So 15 square. Put it down over here. AC square can be written as 8 square is 64 and 15 square is 225, which means AC square equal to 289, which means square root of AC square equal to square root of 289. The square root of 289 is 17. So we take AC equal to 17k. Next is to see what is sin A and what is cos A. So sin A is, write it down over here, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Sin A, P upon H, perpendicular BC upon hypotenuse AC. BC is 15k and we have a hypotenuse which is 17k. K and k cancel, we get 15 upon 17. Next we have to find out sec A. Sec A. Cos A is B upon H. So sec A will be H upon B, reverse. Hypotenuse AC upon base AB. AC is 17k, base is 8k. K cancel, we get 17 upon 8, as our answer. So with this we have completed 2 problems in this video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to receive notification whenever a new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.